How to install Tableau on your laptop in 3 easy steps. This free tutorial is brought to you by Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers and newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Marco, and I will be your instructor for this session. You can learn more about me at blog.tableau.courses/Marco. I hope you will enjoy this session together. Installing Tableau on your laptop is straightforward. Let's do it together. Tableau offers 2 options. Tableau Public, a free version to explore, create, and publicly share data visualization online. Tableau Desktop, a paid version suitable for those who do analytics as their profession. You can get a free desktop license for 1 year if you are a student. The installation process is the same. First, go to Tableau.com. Then click on Try Tableau for free. Lastly, fill in the form with your details and click on Start Free Trial. The software download will start automatically. Once you have the installation file, click on it, agree on the license terms, and choose which folder you wish to install. The installation is fast. Congratulations! You have installed Tableau on your laptop. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting. This is Marco from Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers or newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.